Hey, welcome to Sasta Aristotle. To be completely honest with you, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing with my life. I am in my 20s, my confidence is usually at rock bottom. I have very small circle of friends, and most days I just feel completely lost. But there's a catch. My brain doesn't shut up. I am dangerously curious about everything. I absolutely go crazy for question. My brain just goes crazy all the time. Now, normally I'm quiet, पर जब मुझे गुस्सा आता है तो मैं किसी के बात से नहीं डरता. I look at how weird and ridiculous the society has become, and I just lose my mind. So no, I'm not a guru. मुझे खुद नहीं पता यार कैसे लाइफ जीने हैं. I'm in my 20s and I'm doing this. I'm using voiceover and badly drawn stick figures, or maybe generated, I will not admit to that, but maybe, to ask the questions we are all too afraid to answer. We will be thinking deep in this channel and roasting the absurdity of life. And maybe in the in this journey we'll find ourselves. And if you're feeling lost and confused, subscribe. Let's figure this shit out together.